Before you can sign your digital contract, you must agree to the terms and conditions of our signature provider. First, check the box to agree to their terms, then click the Agree and Continue button. Ensure that the name under the green box labeled Damage Cover is the person signing. Click on the green box labeled Damage Cover. You can then type, draw, or upload an image of your signature. Please complete both the signature and initial sections. Once you have completed entering your signature and initials, please click the OK button. Next, click on the box labeled Hirer Signature to insert your signature. Finally, click on the Finish button at the top of the screen to submit your signed contract. Complete this process for all other hirers by clicking the Sign Contract link in the emails addressed to each of them.